As per the most recent long-haul conjecture, Algorand cost will hit $3 by the center of 2024 and afterward $0.5 toward the finish of 2025. Algorand will ascend to $0.7 inside the time of 2028 and $1 in 2032. Algorand value forecast 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2053. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.0912, so the cost expanded by 29% from the start of the year. The estimated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.66, and the year-to-year change plus 193%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 127%. In 2024, we hope to see $55 per 1 Algorand. In the main portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $85. In the last part, the cost would lose $05 and close the year at $80, which is plus 175% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $80 to $111, which is up 39%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $80, then take off to $85 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.92. That implies plus 216% from today. Algorand expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $111 to $155, which is plus 40%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $111. Then, at that point, take off to $118 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $125. It is about plus 329% from today. 3s are 1, 2s, and 4. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1,253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $181, so the cost diminished by 3% from the outset of the year. The determined Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.42 and the year-to-year change plus 86%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 93%. In 2024, we hope to see $35 per 1 Algorand. In the primary portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $54. In the final part, the cost would lose $03 and close the year at $51, which is plus 134% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $51 to $72, which is up 41%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $51. Then, at that point, take off to $54 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $59. That implies plus 171% from today. Algorand expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $0.72 to $101, which is plus 40%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $0.72, then take off to $0.76 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $80. It is about plus 267% from today. To 2152s into 4. Algorand value forecast 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.1859. So the cost diminished by 17% from the start of the year. The estimated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.48 and the year-to-year change plus 113%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 158%. In 2024, we hope to see $33 per 1 Algorand. In the main portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $56. In the last part, the cost would add $03 and close the year at $59, which is plus 217% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $59 to $101, which is up 71%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $59, then take off to $0.64 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.68. That implies plus 266% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $101 to $146, which is plus 45%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $1.01. Then, at that point, take off to $1.07 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $1.13. It is about plus 508% from today. So 2012-2024. Algorand value forecast 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.25 and 62, so the cost diminished by 31% from the start of the year. The estimated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.35 and the year-to-year change plus 55%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 124%. In 2024, we hope to see $24 per one Algorand. In the principal half of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $1.41. In the final part, the cost would add $0.02 and close the year at $1.43, which is plus 175% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $1.43 to $1.71, which is up 65%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $1.43. Then, at that point, take off to $1.46 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.49. That implies plus 214% from today. Algorand expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $0.71 to $1.03, which is plus 45%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $1.71, then take off to $1.75 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.79. It is about plus 406% from today. Z11520-4. Algorand value forecast 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.1892, so the cost diminished by 16% from the start of the year. The estimated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.41, and the year-to-year change plus 82%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 117%. In 2024, we hope to see $32 per one Algorand. In the main portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will drop to $39. In the last part, the cost would add $03 and close the year at $1.42, which is plus 122% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $1.42 to $1.63, which is up half. Algorand will begin 2026 at $1.42, then take off to $1.46 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026